Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Hey guys, now we are going to edit snow day effect tutorial and preset. If you get more amazing presets, watch more our videos. If this is first time viewed watching my video, or this is the first time you are visiting my channel, make sure you that hit the subscribe button. Exposure 0. Contrast 20. Highlights -45. Shadows 38. Whites -38. Blacks 38. Then temperature 10. Tint -11. Vibrance 55. Saturation 17. Red. Hue -14. Saturation -15. Luminance -13. Orange. Hue -15. Saturation -9. Luminance. Yellow. Hue -96. Saturation -78. Luminance 0. Green. Hue -99. Saturation -31. Luminance -30. Light blue. Hue -100. Saturation -62. Luminance 0. Blue. Hue -4. Saturation -89. Luminance -50. Violet. Hue -100. Saturation -100. Luminance 0. Rose. Hue 0. Saturation -100. Luminance 0. At last edit the details. Sharpening 10. Masking 10. Noise reduction 13. Color noise reduction 51. Thanks for watching this video. And subscribe and click the bell. And turn on the notification.